Being a part of SHPE is definitely helped me out a lot. The friends that you make as you're going through engineering classes are crucial. A lot of times professors will only present material in a certain manner, and you need the different viewpoints that other people within the class can give you, and SHPE just kind of creates this environment to allow you to meet people that will help you now while you're in school and after you graduate.
For the female STEM scholars, I would say be confident, speak up, and always be on the table. You know, don't let everyone else just sit around the table and you sit on the side. Be on the table and speak up.
Being at SHPE has been beneficial from a personal standpoint, getting to know different people. Obviously the networking part, which really means, you know, getting to know different individuals in different industries. You know, taking advantage of the fact that you can bounce ideas off of different people, share experiences, and really, you know, share your own experiences and get the opportunity to also give back to some of the younger engineers and students that you come across.
Sometimes older individuals will make you feel like your opinion isn't valued, but it should be. And so just have that confidence. And again, sometimes it feels like the world is against you, or that everything is going to fall apart, or if you're not doing well in your classes, then you're going to drop out of a program. But I've seen so many engineering students and STEM students go through that in college and persevere and make it through and graduate and find jobs. So there is always hope, so don't give up hope and stay true to what you believe in.
I think the biggest thing that various chapters along my career and as a student have given me is confidence. I think that the opportunities to become a leader that these different organizations provide gives you the confidence that when you get into an opportunity to be a leader within your job, that you are able to execute accordingly. So confidence, I think, is the biggest thing that I've gotten so far.